Hi everybody, I'm meteorologist Jay Berschbach along with Carl Nelson. We're at the Imagination Station. This is Imagine It. Today we have some soap, we have a microwave, and this is called expanding soap. And we need this to kind of get things going. So Carl, What are we doing today?
Well, we're working with ivory soap, which I'm sure you're familiar with. It's a soap that floats, right?
Sure.
It's got lots of air whipped into it. And we're going to use that fact when we put it in the microwave.
Okay, so this is just a bar of ivory soap?
Plain old ivory soap. Okay. And the full bar is probably a little bit much. We don't want to go with the whole bar to start with. We're gonna chop it down to something a little bit more manageable. So just a little chunk.
Cube, okay.
Okay,
sure.
A little cube.
Yep.
And what we're going to do is the soap actually has a little bit of water in it, some moisture, and then we put it in the microwave. That's what's going to heat up, right? And so I should say, before we do this, before anybody tries this at home, it does give a very lovely floral scent to the microwave.
Wonderful.
It may not go with the food items you're going to cook in the microwave afterwards.
The next thing, your pizza might taste a little like ivory soap.
Check with mom and dad or your spouse if you're going to do this in your microwave at home. We just crank this up all to 999. We'll give it a start. And what's going to happen is the moisture inside the soap is going to start to warm up. All right, that's going to soften the soap a little bit, and that warm air is going to start to expand.
Okay.
And I don't know if you can get down in there and see, but it's going to start to expand. The soap is going to get soft. We're going to sort of create a, I don't know what you call, like a soap souffle of sorts.
That's wonderful. It looks like a cumulus cloud.
It's very good
in my business.
It does. It does. And what's cool about this is, we'll pop it open here after one more rotation. Look how big that thing is getting.
It's becoming a cumulonimbus.
All right, so check that out.
Wow.
We've got a nice little souffle of soap. And the cool thing about this is it's still soap. I mean, there's no chemical reaction or anything that's happened here. It's just warmed up and expanded, much like, popcorn.
Sure.
Popcorn would explode because it's got a tough outer kernel. The soap is really soft, it expands, and you can use this as soap.
Can I touch it?
Yeah. Check it out.
It's like
super light, fluffy. In fact,
it's got a weird feel. It's very smooth. Yeah.
Sort of playing with this before you came.
Nice.
A couple bars of soap here that we've been expanding. It's just a really cool thing to try. That's a cool experiment. Try other kinds of soap and see how they respond.
Sure.
Compare them to ivory.
With permission.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Awesome. Very cool. And it does smell nice now. After all the smoke we've produced in the past few experiments.
Yeah.
Nothing like fresh soap. So,
really
wonderful.
Soft and fluffy.
Cool stuff. All right. Soap in the microwave. Thank you so much, Carl Nelson. I'm meteorologist Jay Berschbach, and that was Imagine It.